what a match! The epic Virat, the epic run chase, and yet another century. Because 100 can never stay away from King Kohli. Being Indians, we couldn't have asked for anything more than this. Kohli outperformed himself, but credit also goes to our bowlers and other batters, जिनका परफॉर्मेंस देखना उतना ही सैटिस्फाइंग था। चलो एक बार फिर से इस मैच को जीते हैं। लेट्स रीलिव दिस एपिक गेम वंस अगेन। Important day and important toss जीता मोहम्मद रिजवान ने। Rizwan chose to bat first and Pakistan started well. Babar looked in great touch, played some elegant shots, but Hardik had other plans. Babar got out at 23 और जैसे ही बाबर गए अगले ही ओवर में इमाम भी रन आउट हो गए थैंक्स टू अक्षर पटेल्स क्विक थ्रो। उसके बाद मैच ओडीआई की जगह टेस्ट मैच जैसा लगने लगा। Playing safe shots was fine, but runs almost dried up. Even after Rizwan and Shakil got set, they failed to accelerate and none of them stayed long enough. This led to a mini collapse after their partnership. खुशदिल contributed 38 runs for the team और किसी तरह पाकिस्तान का स्कोर 240 के पार पहुंचा। It wasn't a great total, but at least something to fight with. Credit should go where it is due. The low score was mainly because of India's spinners. Kuldeep took 3 wickets. Akshar and Jadeja picked 1 each, and let's not forget Akshar's brilliant run out. The remaining wickets were taken by Hardik Pandya and Harshit Rana. Now the time to chase. India knows the process. Rohit Sharma, with his same aggressive approach from the 2023 World Cup, started attacking from the first ball. He played some good shots but got bowled by Shaheen Afridi. The question still remains, should Rohit change his approach or stick to it? पर प्रिंस शुभमन गिल जो अनस्टॉपेबल फॉर्म में है, उन्होंने फिर एक सॉलिड स्टार्ट दिया। He was close to his 5th consecutive 50-plus score, but got out on 46 to an unplayable delivery from Abrar. After Shubman departed, it was all about King Kohli. The love story between Virat Kohli and India-Pakistan matches continued. He also completed 14,000 ODI runs in this innings, becoming only the 3rd player in history to do so and the fastest ever to reach this milestone. And the Kohli we remember, the chase master. We finally witnessed him in full flow after a long time. That 100 just made the whole nation jump and celebrate. We should also appreciate Shreyas Iyer, who scored a crucial 50 and built a 100-plus partnership with Virat Kohli, making sure India qualifies for the semis today. Ultimately, the defending champions and host Pakistan are now on the brink of elimination. बदला तो ले लिया 2017 फाइनल्स का, लेकिन अगर एक बार फिर फाइनल में इंडिया पाकिस्तान मिले और वहां इंडिया चैंपियन बने तो मजा ही अलग होगा. Hopes are now doubled for India. We must win this trophy. That's it for today. Stay tuned. We'll be back tomorrow.